Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12step. Today in this video let's learn about how to log into Binance app. So let's get started. At first let's get into the app. Now click on login option over here. Now enter your email address or phone number here and click on next. Now enter the password and click on next. So now we get the verification code in our email. We need to verify with that. So now we are in BeReal interface. So this is all. This is how we can log into Binance app. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.